In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide viewport overlays in Blender. If you've ever felt distracted by grid lines, wireframes, or object outlines while modeling, sculpting, or presenting, this quick lesson will help you switch to a clean, uncluttered view in an instant and then bring everything back just as fast. First, let's talk about what overlays are. Overlays are the visual helpers Blender draws on top of your scene to give you extra information while you work. That includes things like the grid floor, axis indicators, wireframes, selection outlines, face normals, and object names or statistics. They're incredibly useful, but there are moments when you want a pure view of your geometry without any extras, maybe to focus on shape and silhouette, to evaluate lighting and composition, or to record a clean viewport capture. The fastest way to show or hide all overlays is with a single shortcut. Press Shift plus Alt plus Z. Tap that combination once and Blender instantly hides every overlay in the 3D viewport. Tap it again and all your overlays return exactly as they were. It's a true toggle, so you don't lose your previous overlay settings, you're simply switching their visibility on and off. This is great when you're in the zone and don't want to break your flow by mousing around. If you're on a Mac keyboard, remember that Alt is labeled Option, so it's Shift plus Option plus Z. A quick tip. Get used to tapping this before checking proportions or taking screenshots. It keeps your scene readable and your attention on the forms. If you prefer a more visual approach, use the Overlays button at the top right of the 3D viewport. You'll see a button labeled Overlays. Click it once to hide all overlays and click it again to show them. This method is perfect if you're new to Blender or you like a clear on-screen indicator of the current state. It's also handy when you've stepped away and want to confirm whether overlays are off before continuing. The behavior is identical to the shortcut. You're not changing individual overlay options, just toggling the whole group at once. A couple of practical notes as you work. Toggling overlays doesn't alter your objects, materials, or lights, only what's drawn on top of the scene for reference. If your view still looks busy, you might be seeing non-overlay elements like the gizmos. Those have their own toggle next to the overlays button. And as a best practice, flip overlays off when judging shape and composition, then flip them back on for precise edits. That's all you need to keep your workspace clean and focused whenever you choose.